Welcome to the MOOC course on Artificial Intelligence and Open Source Tools for Teaching Learning Excellence. I am Dr. Jagriti Saini, and today I'll be sharing how Microsoft Office Whiteboard can transform your teaching, learning, and collaboration journeys. We generally prefer to use this software for running a lecture, brainstorming with colleagues, or guiding students through problem solving. And it can help you to make your learning experience completely interactive, visually engaging, and totally satisfying for your students. First of all, let us learn how Microsoft Whiteboard works and what it is all about. So, Microsoft Whiteboard is a free digital canvas for collaboration. It allows teachers and students to brainstorm, sketch, write, visualize ideas together, and that too in real time. The goal is simple: replace your static teaching with a dynamic, interactive environment where ideas can flow freely. Talking about the key features of Microsoft Whiteboard, on this tool, you can write, draw, and annotate using pens. You can draw text boxes here. You can even create sticky notes and several highlighters. It is possible to insert images, documents, and even shapes to explain your concepts visually much better manner to your students. Share and annotate PDF documents during class for interactive discussions, and at the same time, you can use built-in templates for brainstorming, project planning, as well as for other classroom activities. It enables you for real-time collaboration where multiple users can collaborate at once from any device, and it also allows us to integrate seamlessly with Microsoft Teams, OneNote, and Office 365 for better teaching, learning, and assignment or group project tasks. In order to assess and set up Microsoft Whiteboard, the process is very simple. This software is available as a web app, a desktop app, as well as a mobile app. It comes with a free account if you have a Microsoft account already with you. So the same account can be utilized for working with Microsoft Whiteboard. And in even most higher institutions these days, it is already included with your Microsoft 365 packages so that as a teacher, you can collaborate with your students easily. You just have to simply log in, create a board, and share a link with your students or even your colleagues to start collaborating instantly. It offers you plenty of classroom applications. If we talk about some of the biggest strengths of this whiteboard tool and how it can be useful for higher education and teaching learning, we can talk about the STEM classes where this Microsoft Whiteboard tool can be utilized for solving equations step by step by using digital ink. It allows you to design and engineer various sketch diagrams, circuits, and CAD ideas collaboratively with your students. If you are teaching in the humanities or management department, you can even run brainstorming sessions with sticky notes and mind maps that are available on Whiteboard. For project-based learning, track group tasks with Kanban boards and planning templates. During online as well as during hybrid classes, it is even possible to integrate your tool directly with Microsoft Teams so that your students can engage live. You can use PDF imports. I think that is the most important thing for the teachers because sometimes you need to describe case studies, research articles, or reports together to the students, and that can be done easily by importing directly the PDF documents on this whiteboard. In terms of engagement and interactivity, unlike traditional slides, Whiteboard brings an active learning experience for your students. They don't just watch on the screen like your traditional patrons. Rather, they can participate by adding notes, highlighting key points, or contributing their ideas visually. This encourages peer-to-peer learning experience, critical thinking, and collaborative problem solving as well. Every whiteboard session is auto-saved on the cloud platform. So whenever you are learning with your students or you are offering them some new insights on a chapter, everything will be saved on your unlimited screen of whiteboard. You as well as your students can later on revisit the boards and they can continue to learn wherever you have left off last time. You can even export boards as images or PDFs for the documentation purpose. This makes it an excellent tool for building knowledge over time and ensuring nothing is lost over the time when you are training your students and when you are working with them on some collaborative works. Microsoft Whiteboard is more than just a digital canvas. It's a space for creativity, collaboration, and deeper learning. By adopting it in higher education, we can move beyond traditional lectures that we are following from past several years because it offers us an interactive, engaging, and student-centered learning experience. So with this, let us now proceed forward to the live demo of Microsoft Whiteboard. Thank you very much.